Have you ever wondered why anxiety is so prevalent in today's society? Anxiety, a common mental condition, affects millions globally, subtly invading everyday lives. Its origins are as diverse as its symptoms, ranging from a genetic predisposition to daily stressors. The impact on day-to-day life can be significant, with physical symptoms often accompanying emotional distress. It's crucial to understand these roots, the associated symptoms, and coping strategies to effectively manage anxiety. Understanding the roots of anxiety can help us devise effective ways to manage it. Anxiety isn't born out of a single cause. It's a complex mental condition with roots in a multitude of factors. A genetic predisposition can make some people more susceptible, while traumatic events can act as catalysts, igniting the onset of anxiety. Chronic stress, too, plays a significant role, overloading our mental circuits, creating a fertile ground for anxiety to flourish. And let's not forget everyday worries, which can sometimes spiral out of control. Recognizing these triggers is the first step towards managing anxiety. Anxiety can significantly affect our daily lives, but there are ways to prevent and manage it. Anxiety isn't just a feeling of unease. It can cause physical symptoms that impact our everyday life. It can make our hearts race, cause shaking, excessive sweating, and even muscle tension. These symptoms can be disruptive, but they don't have to control us. To combat these symptoms, it's essential to develop healthy coping strategies. This can include calming practices, like deep breathing exercises or regular physical activity. These strategies can help us regain control during moments of heightened anxiety. At the heart of managing anxiety, though, is self-awareness. By recognizing our triggers and understanding our responses, we can better navigate situations that provoke anxiety. Mindfulness, the practice of focusing on the present moment without judgment, can also be a potent tool. It can help us break free from the cycle of worry and anxiety. With the right tools and techniques, we can keep anxiety at bay. Professional help can make a significant difference in managing anxiety. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, assists in restructuring negative thought patterns that fuel anxiety. In more severe cases, medication therapy under a professional's guidance can be a game changer. However, therapy isn't the sole player in this game. Lifestyle changes are equally influential. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can help reduce stress and boost mood. A balanced diet nourishes the mind and body, fortifying them against anxiety's toll. Healthy sleep habits restore and rejuvenate, equipping you for the challenges of the coming day. Beyond that, engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment can act as a buffer against anxiety. Whether it's painting, cooking, hiking, or simply reading a good book, these activities can be a source of comfort and respite. A balanced lifestyle paired with professional support can pave the way to overcoming anxiety. The journey of coping with anxiety is not one to be walked alone. Indeed, we humans are social creatures, and in times of distress, we lean on each other. Building a strong support network is vital when managing anxiety. This network can encompass friends, family, professional therapists, or support groups. All of these individuals play a crucial role in providing emotional support, understanding, and compassion. Addressing the stigma associated with anxiety is also paramount. It's important to remember that anxiety is a common condition, and seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but rather a step towards recovery. By encouraging open conversations about mental health, we can foster an environment of acceptance and understanding. Lastly, let's not forget about hope. Hope is the beacon that drives us forward, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, recovery is possible. With understanding, support, and courage, we can overcome the challenges of anxiety and regain control over our lives.